I sold this kind of ad for a US brand and charged $600 for it. And I generated the ad for this product completely using AI, without even giving any fancy prompt. In today's video, I will teach you how I closed that client, how I did the research, and how I created the ads for their product. If you skip even a single second of this entire video, you won't be able to understand things properly. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, 85% of people haven't subscribed to our channel, so kindly subscribe to the channel and also like this video. Both things are completely free, but through this, we can spread our knowledge to a lot of people. Kindly help us with this. So let's start this tutorial. First of all, you need to come onto Google and search for FB Ad Library. Now, what is FB Ad Library? Basically, it shows you all the ads running on Meta. There, what we will do is look at which brands have very good products but aren't making good creatives, meaning their ad creative is not attractive, or they are running their ads with simple images. After writing FB Ad Library, click on this link. After clicking on it, you need to select the country here. I selected the US. You can select any premium country that is your target market. I'll write United States here, and in the ad library, I'll select all ads, and here I'll write simply protein oats. Now you can see that quite a few ads have appeared. There are many products being sold in the protein oats category. I've written protein oats just as an example. You can write a keyword about any of your products and see related ads. Now you can see that this food has appeared here, so we can also create its ad. We just need images, and we don't need much detail. Apart from that, I saw this ad here. This is basically selling oats. You can see that this ad has been running since June 9th, so it means that this client is getting good results from this ad, which is why they are spending more on this ad. Let's see the ad details. Now what we will do, we will make a video of this ad. But before that, let's check its landing page, so you can see that all these products have appeared in front of us. You can take the image of any product on their site and make an ad. I'll pick the butter pecan ice cream as this one is their new product. Now I'll tell you the strategy what I actually did. I will click on it. You can see that these images have appeared, and this is the second image. If we had just one image, that would also be enough, but we have two images here, so I'll save these images. Now both these images have come to us, and I will make its ad. Now you might be thinking that, why should I generate ads? He didn't even hire me yet. The strategy is in this thing. Now, what you will do here is that a brand that is already running ads using only images and perhaps getting good results from it, because this ad has been running since June 9th, which means it is getting good results, which is why it has been running this ad for quite a long time. Now, if we create a similar ad with a video, then think how many more results it will get. Now, I believe you got an idea of what we are going to do. We've taken those two images, we will create our ad from those images, and after creating the ad, I'll tell you what we do next with this potential client, because there are many important things that you need to understand. The tool we are going to use is called Flova AI. It's an AI native video creation agent platform. If you haven't seen Flova before, it's basically an all-in-one creative platform featuring tools like GPT Image 2, Seedance 2.0, Kling, and a bunch of built-in AI skills designed to help you generate videos, images, and ideas while streamlining your entire workflow. If you click over to the Skills tab, you'll discover a variety of pre-built workflows, as well as the option to create your own custom skills. Rather than starting from scratch, selecting a pre-built option like the product commercial skill instantly inserts it into the chat, allowing Flova to understand that your goal is to create a product commercial right away. I'll give the link to Flova AI in the description. You just need to click on that link and come here and create your account. I've created my own skill using Claude, and later I'll show you how to use their hot skills too. So this is basically where we'll dump everything about the product ad. So let's upload our product photos, and I will write my prompt. Make a UGC-style ad video for the Oats Overnight Butter Pecan Ice Cream product shown in the images. Seedance 2.0 for video and 11 Labs for narration, and choosing my own skill called Flova Studio Producer. If you didn't select any skill, the agent will automatically select the best skill based on your requirement. Now here's the part I actually like the most. Flova doesn't just generate a random video the second you hit enter. You can see the agent is asking you to choose the format and length, so the visual pacing and voiceover fit correctly before spending any credits. Okay, so the narration is done. Now the agent is generating all 3 video shots in parallel with Seedance 2.0.
Okay, this is literally my new morning obsession. Oats overnight butter pecan ice cream. It tastes like dessert, but it's actually good for you. High protein, super filling, and honestly, so delicious. You have to try this.
Let's review the visuals and voiceover and see if there is any refinement required or not before assembling.
So it's this area, this bacon over ice creaming is no pan butter ice creaming.
Keep in mind this whole thing was generated from just 2 product pictures. And the craziest part? Look at the UGC creator in the video. She looks insanely real. Like you honestly cannot even tell she's AI. The food looks amazing, the camera movement is seamless, and it genuinely looks like a viral video you'd see scrolling on TikTok. Let's ask it to assemble the ad. We need to settle one thing here. We have 2 kinds of voice generated, the one with video, and another we generated separately, so I'll delete this one. I want to have one more shot. Let's ask our agent to do it. Add 1 shot of opening the product and adding milk into it. Look at this. It is asking me, should this new moment extend the ad to 20 seconds, or should it replace one existing 5-second clip to keep the ad at 15 seconds? This one is great, but you have noticed in our previous shot the girl is eating that ice cream within the packet, so we must create a shot in which milk should be added in a packet. So, I asked the agent to regenerate it and add milk in the packet. This time we got what we wanted. It's time to assemble our ad. We can easily drag and drop our shots in a timeline. I think the packet opening shot should be added too. Let's trim it. It's time to export this ad and see our final results.
So it's this area, this bacon over ice creaming is no pan butter ice creaming.
Now let's generate another version for this same product with a fresh creative angle. Agent starts doing its work. Instead of multiple shots, I wrote to provide us a single continuous video. The results keep surprising me. Now let's use their product commercial skill, which is one of their hot skills, and see the difference in using different skills. This time I didn't write any prompt, just uploaded the product image and selected the skill. And this is what I got. Results are next level. Lastly, I tried their avatar product ads skill and look at what came out of this.
Still drinking lukewarm water? This insulated tumbler keeps my drinks ice cold all day long. It's leak-proof, fits perfectly in my cup holder, and looks amazing. Tap below to grab yours now before they sell out.
Now, your next step will be to come to the Facebook page for which you made the ad. You have to do 3 to 4 things. Keep this exact strategy in mind. I am showing you an email template on my screen. This email template is the one I use nowadays to sell these kinds of ads, and along with that, there will be a message template too, which you can use to send on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Now, your first job is to come to Facebook and message this page with the same message I'll give you in your email template file. The document link is in the description. You just need to open it and copy the Instagram and Facebook message, and you have to write the brand name. Like if it is Oats Overnight, then the brand name goes there, and second, the product name goes there, which is butter pecan ice cream. Before sending the video to a client, we will first upload it to Canva to add our company name or agency website as a watermark. This protects your work and ensures clients can't use it without payment. If you want to try this yourself, just click on the link in this video description. You'll get 100 free credits just for signing up and 200 more for every person you invite. Plus, Flova already has full access to Seedance 2.5 fully unlocked. Get double credits for a limited time and 480p generation starting from just $0.03 per second. Instead of switching between 5 different tools, Flova acts as your whole production team, handling scripts, storyboards, shots, and editing for just $17 a month. Go check it out and let me know what you create. Also, hit subscribe if you found this useful. I'm dropping more of these AI ad breakdowns every week. See you in the next one.